Ready for morning walk? Going to do everything on the morning run this morning. We ready to go? Let's go. Just coming back down the hill from our walk. The dog's normally playing and sparring, but I'm carrying this camera today and Nikki's very suspicious. I remember when I first got my last flare of the start of the new flare of the Pppd, I could literally not walk up that hill to take the dogs for a walk. It was incredibly difficult. Even the stimuli of the dogs just running and playing and what have you was too much, and the fatigue and the energy that it took just to put one foot in front of the other. I know with my vestibular disorder, and what I feel is that I always seem to fall to the left. Fun fact, I always look like I'm drunk, like I walk like a drunk person at 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the morning. What I love to do is go to town, look like I'm walking like a drunk person, and then get in my car and drive away, and people are like, what the hell? Anyway, I'm just going to pause it for a minute so that I can feed Wally. Okay, Pab's standing at the gate. We're ready to do the chickens, aren't we, mate? We're going to go do the chickens. Hey? Yeah, you love doing the chickens? Righto. The chickens, there's a few weeds in here, but the chickens live in the chicken pen, but they also have the orchard, which has got like fruit and things that often fall on the ground. And yeah, they hang out in the orchard sort of area during the day. A few things that need tidying up. Good morning, chickens. Oh, I love my chickens. So big rooster in there. Let's open the door, it's easier to see. Sorry, and I've got the sun right behind me. But in here we have Master Rooster Julian and his girls. The one over the back there's Tennille, the darker black one. And then the bigger one, they're going towards Julian now, fluffing her wings, is Opal, and Sapphire in the middle. So they've all got names. And I think that Julian is so beautiful. He is one very pretty boy. And yeah, they all hang out in here together. Master Julian, beautiful boy. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to let them out. Aren't we, Nick? Yes, and Pablo. And then next door, got the brown chickies. They're eating their breakfast, aren't you? Brown chickalickers. And in here, this is one major, beautiful, big rooster. Vincent, look how big he is. He's so beautiful. I'll try and get the sun. Oh, so just before we all dart out the door, BBB. And we've got Ruby and Charlotte and big boy Vincent. But I might jump out because they're so fun to watch leave. Oh, okay. Come on, let's go. Oh, one's already gone. Come on. There's always lots of tidying up to do. Lots of old things hanging around. Cleaning, needs tidying up, cleaning up. Here we go, day out, day out. They love to just come out, hang out for the day. Okay, chickens are out, so I'll pause it. And last but not least, we're gonna head to the Cracko's cage, aren't we, Nikki? You know, you're not playing this morning because you know that I'm doing something different, hey? You're on to me. Oh, neck's feeling tight. Oh, good morning, Crackles. Hello, Crackles. Good morning. Oh, flipping circles. Good morning. Who's flipping circles? Good morning, Crackatackers. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Crackles. Yep. In their little shed. In their big run, actually. They love it. I moved them when they got a bit bigger. Good morning, Crackles. Come on, Pab. Stand back. Out we come. One's out. Crackles. Good morning. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Good morning. Good, good, good. Good morning. Papa. Mickey. Good, good, good. Good morning. Good morning, Crockatacks. There's another one. You just want the attention, mister. You big boy standing up there. Aren't ya? Hey? What are you doing? What are you two doing? Are you playing? Are you two playing? Oh, goodness, look at you two playing. Pablo's having a good game. Crack attack! Crack attack! Hey. You playing? Are you, Pab, playing? You playing a big game? Okay, we might leave those last two to it. They'll eventually come out when I take the dogs away properly. Anyway, all good. Everyone's out for the day. Pablo, do you want breakfast? Hey, Nikki, do you want breakfast? Who's ready for breakfast? Let's go. Okay. Thanks for coming with me to do morning chores. Talk to you later.